Hi, it's Ed over at Antique Toys. Today I'm going to go through our auction coming up in September. We're going to go through some highlights from Halloween to models to robots, and it's just going to be a quick overview, so stay tuned for more. Okay, so this auction coming up with AntiqueToys.com in affiliation with Mars Auctions is going to feature kind of this old and stodgy doorstop thing that I know you guys don't need, but you actually have to appreciate for art. This is a Halloween boy, and the Halloween boy is an extremely desirable form. I think there are only 2 or 3 that were found, and then in the 70s, somebody recast it. They did amazing paint, they aged it, so this is a second casting or recasting. But this Halloween boy with jack-o'-lantern is super desirable. We have modest expectations, but you know, $100 to $500, believe it or not. This one's coming. Winner in the doorstop world is this Pekingese, done by Hubley. And this Pekingese has wear along the high edges, but paint-wise was all hands painted by an artist, was hands cast, and ground down, detailed in the eyes. We expect this to do pretty well, as will Aunt Jemima, as will Huck Finn, and a couple of the dogs. Okay, let's not forget models. Tamiya, Mr. Tamiya just passed away. I've got a very deep respect for models, and these earlier Tamiya kits, we ended up, like with this lot coming up, we ended up getting dead stock warehouse find kits, and it's a very special event coming up where if you were a kid in the 70s, you could have purchased these race car kits and been fortunate, because I think import price at the time still might have been $35, $45. So be sure to check those out in addition to our tank kit, because we've got tank kits too. And this is a Bandai tank kit, which is one of the largest they ever produced, 1/15 scale. And hold on. The contents inside. Dead stock, heavy, and metal, along with the plastic. Okay, in the steel category, this white Buddy L is going to be a more interesting one to watch. It's a later 30s model. It's got these rubber tires that have aged in the white that doesn't look great, but it's all original. It's Buddy L, and it is a Depression era tow truck. We're going to go from there to possibly some Turner toys. This Turner fire truck, I think, is a sleeper. Beautiful form. I believe it was done about 36, 37 for just 1 year. We're going to have a boxed dump and sand loader coming up too. Okay, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Thanks for checking out the preview. Again, this is an auction coming up Saturday. It's going to be September 6th, 2025, with robots, models, doorstops, cast iron banks, all kinds of interesting ephemera, slot cars. So please check it out, MarsAuctions.com, AntiqueToys.com, and details are syndicated to live auctioneers and high bid. So have a great day. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Take care.